Here is how to find connected apps to your Google account. So first you want to open your browser and then make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now you want to click on your profile logo and click on Manage your Google account. Now you want to click on the security section and then scroll all the way down till you see your connections to third-party apps and services. Then you want to click on See All Connections. And then from here, you want to find the app that you want to revoke access to your Google account. For example, apps that you no longer trust or need. So you can search for them by name or either scroll and find them manually. For example, this one, click on it. Now click on Delete all connections that you have with this app. And a confirmation window should show up. Now you want to click on Confirm to delete the app from accessing your Google account. And once you confirm, it should be completely deleted. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.